Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Sony Xperia 10V and the Samsung Galaxy A56. We're diving deep into their displays, performance chips, cameras, battery life, build quality, and more. Which phone nails the perfect screen experience? Does the Galaxy A56's powerhouse chipset outclass the Xperia's balanced Snapdragon? Can Sony's unique audio features and physical shutter button beat Samsung's AI editing tools? And here's the kicker. At their price points, is the Galaxy A56 truly the value king? Or does the Xperia justify its higher cost with premium features? Stick around because by the end, you might be questioning everything you thought you knew about mid-range smartphones. Sony Xperia 10V sports a 6.1-inch OLED display with a crisp 422 ppi density and vibrant triluminous technology, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A56 boasts a larger 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 1900 nits, making it a beast in bright conditions. The A56's bigger, brighter display with a higher screen-to-body ratio makes it ideal for immersive media consumption, but Sony's Triluminos and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 offer superior color accuracy and durability. The choice boils down to screen size versus color fidelity and toughness. Under the hood, the Xperia 10V runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 with an Adreno 710 GPU, delivering efficient performance with its octa-core setup. The Galaxy A56 counters with Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset, featuring a newer CPU architecture and the Xclipse 540 GPU. The Exynos 1580's higher clock speeds and modern cores give the Galaxy a noticeable edge in raw processing power and graphics, making it better suited for gaming and multitasking. Both phones feature a 50MP main camera with OIS, but the Galaxy A56 adds a versatile 5-megapixel macro lens and a slightly wider ultra-wide sensor. Video capabilities are similar at 4K 30 FPS, yet the Xperia supports 1080p at 120 FPS for slow motion, giving it an edge for creative videographers. For selfies, Samsung's 12-megapixel sensor outshines Sony's 8-megapixel shooter with higher resolution and likely better detail. Benchmark scores highlight the Galaxy A56's dominance, an AnTuTu score of 908,689 versus Xperia's 600,667, and Geekbench scores of 3,899 against 2,943. The 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme test also favors the A56 with 1,332 points compared to 865. This performance gap means smoother gaming, faster app launches, and better overall responsiveness on the Samsung. Sony's Xperia 10V emphasizes pro photography with Night Mode Pro, hybrid 2x optical zoom, and a dedicated physical shutter button, features that appeal to photography enthusiasts craving manual control. Samsung counters with AI-driven tools like AI Object Eraser, Super HDR, and Nightography, making it easier for casual users to capture stunning shots effortlessly. The choice here is between creative control and AI convenience. Both pack a robust 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without compromise. This parity means battery life won't be a deciding factor between these two. The Xperia combines a glass front with a plastic back and frame, while the Galaxy A56 steps up with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both front and back, plus a sturdy aluminum frame. Samsung's premium materials promise better durability and a more luxurious feel in hand. Sony offers superior water and dust resistance with IP65, IP68 certification, allowing immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and protection against low-pressure water jets. Samsung's IP67 rating covers immersion up to 1 meter but lacks the extended protection. For rugged users, Xperia's tougher rating is a significant plus. Sony shines with high-res audio, LDAC support, 360 reality audio, stereo front-facing speakers, and a dedicated physical shutter button, features tailored for audiophiles and photography fans. Samsung's Galaxy A56 counters with AI-powered editing tools, virtual proximity sensing, and vision booster display technology, enhancing usability and content creation for everyday users. Both start at 128 GB with 8 GB RAM, but Samsung offers expanded options up to 256 GB storage and 12 GB RAM, providing more flexibility for heavy users and multitaskers. Price-wise, the Galaxy A56 is more affordable at $450, compared to the Xperia 10V's $550. This $100 difference could sway budget-conscious buyers towards Samsung, especially given its stronger performance and premium build.